Alright guys, here we are back out here at Perry Field in Orrington. As you can see, I got the FMS 1450 millimeter P-51, and the last time you saw this thing, it had a broken landing gear actuator. So as you can tell, looking at the two, I have got these fixed. I ordered two new actuators, or I should say servos, or landing gear retract actuators from Horizon Hobby earlier in the week, and it took them only about 3 days, I'd say 3 days to 3.5 days, and I had them at my doorstep, which is really cool. They are a little bit different than the originals. I'll explain that in a second. When I got these ones, I realized that they were different. They were not like the originals. Where the originals, the side plates, they were plastic like this, but they had cut out cam follower tracks inside the two sides of the housing for the trunnion pin to follow, the cam to follow. They didn't go all the way through the housing, they were just cut out into the housing, and they followed a curved path. This one here, the cutout is a straight linear line, and it's all the way through. So you're not just riding a 32nd of an inch cutout, it's all the way through. The pin rides the whole cutout for the cam. Also, these where the old ones cracked, where this 90-degree is, these ones have reinforced stiffeners underneath to prevent that. These screws are moved away from the corners just a little bit, and the recesses are more countersunk, got a wider countersink than the original ones had. So they say these things work better, and that we're going to find out, that's for sure. So because of that, I couldn't put the aluminum side plates on because they wouldn't fit. Well, I ended up replacing both of them just so they can have a matched set. It's one of those advantage-disadvantages. You get a more improved stock type actuator, which the new planes, if you get one that they're making now, they're going to come out with these. The bad part is many of us have already fixed the problem with the old ones by putting the aluminum side plates on, and that took care of the original problem. Now we're back to plastic side plates because they don't have the vendor that makes the aluminum ones hasn't made these new types yet, so, and they may not. So we're going to see how this works. Very good. Everything's up. Back door is closed. Back doors are open. Gear coming out. All right. So I guess now there's nothing left but to see what it does.